What's up, mi gente? Louie the Boilerman here. As you guys can see, it's hot as fuck in here. I am sweating bullets. I'm sweating cojones and balls. But anyway, we're not here for that. We're here for the AC. Guys, the complaint was they have a water leak. So there's an old York unit, you guys can see. And I opened up the cover and I can tell why it's leaking. So take a look. All the corrosion on the bottom of the pan. It's called the primary pan. You guys can see it's all corrosive. And it actually through the because water is acidic after a while and it starts corroding. So water does corrode and it went through the actual metal. It ate up through the metal. It's kind of hard to see. If you go on the bottom, put the camera down. No, on the bottom. Come on, bro. Right there, you guys can see. It's kind of hard to see here. But if you guys can see that right there, it's there. You see that spot right there? It's corroding there. So when this is cooling, this is all getting filled up with water. And of course, after it's building up water, it collects water in this pan, and what happens is it's actually seeping through the seams of the unit and it's going downstairs to the second floor into the bedroom. So guys, on this case, I personally would just tell them to replace the unit. I could replace a pan or make some sort of a pan, but because of the age of the unit is very old, I think ideally would like to have them to replace it because it's old. I mean, the coil's old, the unit's, I mean, if you guys take a quick look, I'll show you guys. All right, that's Rob right here. So the unit is very old and it could be in better shape, but it is what it is. So the point being, this is the problem. This is the root of the problem. This is the water leak he's complaining about. You guys can see it's been doing this for quite a bit of time. It's been a while. It's been having this issue, but it finally ate through the pan, and that's it. Now they gotta change this pan. Another solution to this, which I've done it before, would be to take this out. Try to salvage it. And how would I salvage it? You know that black rubber shit, that rubber seal that, it's a spray paint turns into rubber. Sometimes if it's not too bad, I would use that, but it's pretty corrosive, so that probably wouldn't work. But if it's a little bit, it's a little corroded, but it's not too bad. You still got meat in the bone on the pan. Some good, something you could grab onto, and great. Because what happens if it's too corroded, even if you put that on, it doesn't matter. It's so brittle that it's gonna go through, so it's not gonna work. So that's an alternative. I have done it, something you gotta improvise. I'm not a magician, but I make sure it work within reason. In this case, it's a little bit past that point. So I have to talk to the customer, give him a heads up what's going on, and let him decide what he wants to do. With that being said, guys, this is what it is to be Louie the Boilerman at New York Boiler and Kitchen Repair. Again, follow our channel. If you could DM us, email us, give us a comment below, hit the bell button.